my mom and me videos. This is our kitchen tour.
Hi everyone, this is me Nova and I'm doing a kitchen vlog. The purpose of this kitchen vlog is not just to show you around and both my kitchens are... No, actually this vlog is to show you some simple hacks and tips on how to simplify your kitchen, or maybe you have an incoming or a kitchen renovation. Maybe this can help you with some tips. Our kitchen is white. I intended it to be white because I want it clean. I want to see the dust so I can clean it right away. And my kitchen is actually a multi-purpose kitchen. It's not just a kitchen. I have a lot of stuff inside that is not kitchen use, like an office supply section.
Okay, let's go to our snacks room, which is very yummy because I always love the Quaker, which
Quaker
is
oats?
yeah, over there.
Okay, so what's inside your snack bar?
Snack bar.
Here's the Quaker oats. There. And there's the open Quaker oats. Where is it? Oh no, it's not here. Anyway,
How about that?
I think that's a sugar.
No, that's Quaker oats.
Okay, go. So this is the milk of the kids.
That really wanted to drink.
And the snack bar, it's over here inside. We put it in a container so that the rats or the cockroaches will not
Get inside them. Or
taste
eat
it.
them.
And yes, that's a snack bar. It's easy to open for the kids. Anytime they want to snack, they can just open it.
And they also have eggs and big eggs, small
There's
eggs.
the quail eggs. And there's the avocado, the favorite of mommy. And there's the stove. It's a one burner stove because we don't really cook here. Our dirty kitchen is outside.
Yeah, we're gonna vlog that.
Soon.
Yeah,
Okay, can we open another drawer or cabinet?
here.
Okay.
Which is almost the part of it. So this is our
Storage area. There's the cooking oil, the extra ketchup,
which is
dishwashing
our
liquid.
chickens, like our
and the
kitchen.
juice for the kids in their lunch boxes for the school. Okay, we can
We
close
keep
it now.
We keep it there because Noah always wants juice. He always gets it from the freezer.
Okay. Next is the baby section area.
I am
where we
turning.
keep all the baby bottles, the milk, the diapers, and the cereals. Okay.
I turn on the lights because it's much darker.
Yeah.
Because
It's
outside is
nighttime. And this is under the sink.
which we have the dryer.
Yeah, the dish rack dryer. We use that every day and we're just keeping it for the nighttime. Also that's the dish rack dryer and the towels. Can you... Okay. So this is a pull out. It's very easy. I ordered this in Lazada and it's just like 200 pesos plus compared to the malls. Like in True Value, it's very expensive.
And
here,
and we can buy it actually.
extra sponges, and for the baby bottles we use this, and the brush, and this one dishwashing liquid, and this one is really very helpful for mommy because I clean the sink like once a week, and this is the sink.
Which is very dirty. Later we're gonna clean it.
I really like our sink. It's really very nice because it has a food waste storage.
Like if somebody don't like to eat their food and spit it on their plate, they will put it here.
Yeah. And that is our hand soap and the dish washing
Washer.
soap and the sponge. This is a very cute storage space for the sponge. I just bought it somewhere in surplus. Like it's just 50 pesos, I think.
Mom forgot a little bit.
So
Because
this
it
is
so long.
our sink, and I really love this. It's kind of expensive, but I think it's super solid because it has. Wait, let's see. It has two.
Get out there.
Strainer.
Or else I'm gonna make you blind. I'm gonna make you blind.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna make you blind. I'm gonna make
And
you
here
blind.
we go. You can turn off the light now. It's kinda okay. And this is, I'm really happy I bought this. I bought this in True Value at 50% off. And this one also is at 70% off. So it's, for me it's really solid because I can display stuff. And this one, kids really like Coco Crunch, so I am very happy with my purchase on this one. Okay, can we open another drawer, please?
Okay.
So this is the plates and cup section. It's a pull out. See all our cups, assorted cups and glasses, and the plates also. This one, we bought this at where? This plate.
I don't remember actually.
We bought this in Singapore.
Oh yeah, I forgot. When
Yeah.
I was like 7, it was.
And this one is the utensils.
Oh, that's
This is Cooper. So thankful. We are so thankful for my cousin architect Nadette Gonzaga Lozano for this beautiful kitchen and the free utensils rack and the plates rack over here. Super thankful. And we open another drawer.
Oh yes.
Okay. So this is the trash bin area.
Which is very hard for kids to open.
Yes, this is,
We need somebody.
we cannot let them see the trash inside. And this one, we use this for our hot meals. We always place this for hot meals like the rice cooker and the hot dishes so that our counters will not be dirty and
This is the one that makes mosquitoes be gone and don't like.
yes. Can we get it out? Excuse me. Okay, so this is, we use this to catch flies because sometimes our house has flies.
A
And that
thousand of
one
flies.
is our emergency light. So we keep our emergency light and the electric fly repeller inside. And
Oh,
inside
really?
also we have the tissues, the
Trash bag.
bags,
I don't know what's that.
and one frying pan for
Wait.
our electric stove.
Or pancake.
Yeah. Okay, can you hold this please?
Okay. We need to get
So
that
let's
out.
bring this in again.
I cannot get it.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry for.
Can we open another one?
Yeah.
How about this one? You can turn off the flashlight. Okay. Oh no, you can turn it on again. So this is kinda the
Messy.
towel section, and we have here the nebulizer kit and some tools like the
And
the
this is for.
screwdriver and some. This one is for like the hairbrush and some hair clips.
Hey, I need that
Yeah.
for my school.
Okay. And the medicine kit, I'm gonna arrange it pa. And the towels. The yellow ones go to the new kitchen, and the orange one to the dirty kitchen, and the pink one for the baby bottle sterilizers. And this one is for mommies and the kids. We drink that. every day. Okay, can we close it now?
Yes. And there's 2 more drawers to find out.
How about this one? Haven't opened this yet.
This is mommy's drawer. She always keep it private. She never let anybody touch it.
Yes. This is my office supply section. So you can see it's kind of organized. We have the ball pens here, the highlighters, the pencils, and everything that I need. This is the sewing kit and the buttons over here for the uniforms, safety pins, the threads,
Well, you cannot open it yet.
and the pencil pens and the scotch tapes and the masking tapes.
And she has very nice pen over there.
Yeah.
And this is... Oh,
This is the pantry, the little pantry section. We have here a lot of coffee here.
and
And
milk.
this one also,
And iced tea.
grass. And my favorite coffee is the Moringa coffee,
We have...
which is very, for me, it's very, very beneficial and very nutritious, or like it's a herbal coffee. We drink this every day. It has Moringa. And this one, the tea.
This is Tang mean juice.
Yeah.
We have a lot of juice.
Yes, because the kids love to drink juice, and sometimes we have guests, so we just pick one. And these are our coasters, coffee coasters. It's so pretty. I got
They're
it
so
from
cute.
Lazada. Like, it's just 14 pesos per coaster. It's so nice. Kids love it when they drink milk and they put their cups here.
And we
It's so
also
pretty.
have scissors, so we don't get it on mommy's because mommy always. And
This
also,
one, it's still vacant.
there's
above the
nothing
rack.
inside there because we cannot reach there.
Yeah, but I'm gonna put some like soap and tissues over there soon.
Please open that for
How
me.
about this one?
That is my bacon.
This one is the
Bacon.
canned goods section.
And
It's kind of far away, but I think it's good that it's up there because you cannot reach it, so we are not so tempted to cook canned goods
all the time.
all the time. And there's the pineapple tidbits and the tomato sauce there. And here, it's like an extra storage space. We have the Doritos over there and some corn bits and the vitamins and the toothpick and a little a coin purse. And here is some sachets that cannot anymore fit in my drawer, so I just place it there. Okay, next.
I'm using a chair right now.
Yeah, you're using the chair right now.
Yes, I got it.
No need. It's lighted. It's properly lighted. It's okay, langga. So, no, not yet. So, these are our extra plates. There. We use it on special occasions or like we have a lot of guests. So, we are... So, it's kind of full. And I'm really happy with my purchase on this one. This is very helpful because it can divide and it's nice to look at. I bought this at Landers, and that on the top, I bought it at Mandawi Foam. The top is more solid actually because it's more spacious compared to this in Landers.
Now the next one I cannot reach.
Now this one, these are all our appliances, the microwave, electric oven. We use that every day because the kids love to
have toasted bread.
yes. And this one also, toasted bread toaster.
What's that?
And the coffee maker. And this one is for mommy's sanity. This is a Bluetooth speaker. I always listen to music whenever I have time. And the eggs, of course. Okay, can you open the cabinet, please? That one is extra space. Not yet filled, but I'm going to fill it soon. So what's inside? I have an extra folder magazine here. And some partition and a rotating rotating stand. And some paper tissues. There, you can see a candle there for the flies and some tissue.
up there.
And here on the top is the
Beer!
liquor section.
Wait, I thought it was beer.
Yeah. Some alcohols for the drunkards.
Some people want like
Yes. On special occasions, we can have this. And
when we
I
have
bought
summer,
this
we
at
can have that.
SNR, only on discount, so I have a lot of stocks right now, but soon it's gonna be empty. No need to have flashlight lang that.
Okay.
Okay. Are we done? Oh, we haven't opened this yet.
Oh, I forgot about this one. Here is where we put
No, let's put flashlight.
there. We put this
So
is
this is the emergency kit. We have the batteries, the band-aids.
when somebody have like a hole under
They
ear.
have wounds. That's
Yeah.
a betadine.
It will make
Extra
it done.
chargers, baby wipes,
Super
some
glue.
ointments and petroleum jelly, cottons. There. And the last one.
This is where we put all our really like
Yeah.
I think
So this is the
we
lunch
put
boxes and the water bottles of the kids. So I just place it in a
because for this video because
I just place it in a folder magazine so that it's kinda neat and just some little pull out. So we have a lot of containers out there. Here, can you hold this?
okay.
Pardon the flashlight because it's dark. We're shooting on the dark because this is the only time available of mommy.
Yeah.
Because the baby is asleep right now. So
We just forgot to put them down.
yeah, it's okay. Yeah. So I hope you like our vlog and our kitchen.
Please subscribe. And
We will
like
be
the
showing you
video.
our dirty kitchen soon. And right now,
We're gonna
I
make
hope-
an episode 2 chicken for us.
I hope you learned something from my kitchen to also declog your kitchen too, because I have really find this very therapeutic since I am on a bed rest right now, so I'm stuck in the house and have nothing to do. That's why I'm doing this vlog, and I'm really happy, and I'm really happy for the result of this kitchen organizing. And I hope that you also learn from this. Thank you for watching.
This is Deco Toy Shop. Please subscribe and like the video.
Bye.
Bye. Mom, come in.